cutting off Remy. Hold on, Rem.
Yeah.
Is that how we do it? Oh. You're at such an awkward little height because if it shows you, it cuts off our head.
Hi.
What do you say when you see the cameras, Remy?
Daddy.
What you say? No. Every time Remy sees the camera, she goes, "Hi guys."
I love your hairstyle, Rem. It looks very familiar. You look like somebody
This
I know.
has rum. Here, you
Looks
can
like
hold
somebody I know. Let's smile together. Look at us.
Oh, cutie patooties. Cutie patooties. Don't pull it up. Don't pull it up. Alright, we're gonna start in 2 minutes. As I was saying to you, I had a really good YouTube video.
Yeah.
And I feel it's all original content. And it was actually a request in the comments.
You lie.
So when on YouTube, someone said, "Can you show me how do you pick the themes for your kids' parties? Because you're so good at it."
Oh yeah, you are.
So I kind of went through like what I do and how to pick a theme, and then I was very cognizant of the fact that not everybody is artistic or creative. So I tried to take that into consideration for, you know, like somebody who really doesn't know what they're doing. And I came up with a lot of footage and a lot of tips, I think.
Yeah, that's good though.
I feel good about it.
Mommy and.
Mommy's hand, could look like Mommy's hand.
Well, you know, Joe, it's so funny because I actually had to go back through your YouTube footage. It wasn't on your YouTube, so I had to go back through the IG to find out the mosquito repellent spray. So, and I have my cloves sitting down soaking.
And you shake them up?
Yeah.
I kind of pride myself on the fact that I think I have really good content.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
Like I'm not doing like pranks and foolishness and, you know.
Yeah.
And it's just...
Which is funny because you started off doing pranks and foolishness.
Years ago. That was on my Snapchat.
That was how you got Jodi Jinx. That was years ago.
Oh,
when
yes,
you did
that's right.
What was that TV station name? What's that going on?
No, it was RETV. When RETV first started, they were like, okay, we need like a funny show. And at the time, Ashton Kutcher's show was doing extremely well. So they were like, okay, Quiz had her place. So they were like, all right, Jodi, like a jokey one. What we're going to do with she? So they're like, okay, let's come up with a show, Jinxed. That was the name of the show because my name was Jinx, so the show was Jinx. And
I wish I could wear that shirt, but I definitely can't because I can't tick off all the boxes.
Yeah, people, let's get it on.
I can only tick off 2.
You're definitely not waxed. You put that leg down. Put that leg down.
Do you see it?
I should ask somebody at RETV for that footage. So I went to KFC and I pranked them. Oh my gosh, it was actually really funny. All right, Digicel, are you ready? Anytime Digicel is ready, we are ready too. Anytime Digicel is ready. Anytime. She gone when other brushes them now. Woo.
Don't even know what to
So we're now live over on the Instagram and they are telling our hi Joe.
Hi
Joe, I meant to link you. I'm gonna need your help today.
What is that?
With the giveaways.
What's the thing you have on top of the camera?
Oh, it's like a mic, so it can kind of block out the light buzzes.
Oh, okay. It just looks like a wiggly worm.
Wiggly worm. Hello, hi Leo. What's up?
So hello to everybody out there on the Instagram world. Today is a very special day. Today is September, 7th? It is September 7th today. And today is also Ray's birthday.
Oh, yes. We messaged Ray this morning to tell her happy birthday. Happy birthday, Racine. She's a Jamaican author and she wrote her book. Let me get it. Actually, let's give away a book today.
Spotlight on Me. And this book is a very important book for anybody who is going to be in front of the media and does interviews. So you could be an athlete. You could be a porn star. You could be a TV star. You could be a journalist. You could even be an Instagram person like Jodi and I. This book is a very good book to read. So happy birthday to Racine, the author of this book, Spotlight on Me. And today we'll be giving away a copy of Spotlight on Me in conjunctuation. I'm sure there's a better word for that. Can't think of it right now. For Racine's birthday.
Right. So we have a couple giveaways today and we're going to save a couple giveaways for YouTube as well. So we're not really sure how to do the giving away, so you guys have to help us. So we, in this time of lockdowns...
Thank you, Lisa Gabadon.
Tracy and I would like to give away some vouchers for some groceries. So we have some vouchers here valued at $2,000 each, and we're going to be giving some of them away today, just to help out, you know, people who may need to. Hi Kai, miss you. So just to help out those who need, you know, a little boost during this time. You know, we're going to ease off some of the pressure, you know?
Some of the pressure.
All right, so we need like an idea. How do we give these away? Like, what do we do? Like, what question do we get?
Lion?
Yeah.
Where's the lion?
You want to ask a question? Room. So we're asking those who you know, just make sure you live in Jamaica. They are HiLo vouchers, so someone from HiLo will be getting in contact with you to find out where it is that you live, so that you can work out the closest HiLo location to you, and you can go in and shop. Ask current affair questions.
I can't. I honestly, I don't listen to.
Why don't I go and get the Jamaican game?
Oh.
Okay, let me get the Jamaican game and try to find my daughter.
Yeah, she said, my room. She gone into her room for a lion. I don't know what lion is in her. You hear her? It's her. Jodi says Vaxxed Waxed and ready to climax. Anyway, so I have just been here in the COVID season in my house, sitting down, not doing anything really. I get my groceries delivered, and the only places I go are Jodi's house, Mommy's house, and walking around my complex. Anyway, this morning Stevie was giving me a lot of trouble. She won't go down for the first nap, second nap, and she just sits there laughing. She's just sitting down there laughing. I don't know what to do with her. Anyway, oh, thanks guys. Everybody's saying I look pretty today. Let me just close that door because I don't know what's going on. Excuse me. I mean, honestly, I have enough crying kids at my own house. I don't need to come here and have some more.
Stop digging in my things. Stop digging in my things. All right. So we know sometimes you may get a little excited, but this is for living in Jamaica, and for persons living in Jamaica.
Yes, for goodness grace. Remy was having a breakdown a while ago. What happened to her?
She don't want to be upstairs. She wants to be running around in the hallway upstairs. And when I put her downstairs, she don't want me downstairs.
Anyway.
Alright. So this is a game we featured them before on the show, Jamaican Extra Lessons. So we're gonna be using, hold on man. I need a 1 second. Whew.
So did you contacted the place to get the hot lunch for Remy's lunch kit?
We're not gonna talk about the curry.
Who is bringing back up the curry?
We're not gonna bring up the curry. Whew.
So yeah, so you guys, Remy likes hot lunch in her lunch kit. So Banyan Catering also does little kiddie size lunchtime snacks for anybody else's children who likes hot lunch.
Dr. Reed is here. Hey, Dr. Reed. Okay, so we're going to be using our game that was once featured on the show, and we think it's a really great game. It's called Extra Lessons, and it's available on Etsy. Do you guys remember when they were here? Some women love their glow, and some women are super glowing woman. Tracy, you look great.
Oh, thank you. You know, super.
All right, so Kimberly Stewart.
Wow. Let me tell you something. I'm so glad you guys think I look great, because I've had 3 sleepless nights. Stevie's going through sleep regression. It's been horrible.
All right. So we're going to ask a question, and we're going to be giving away vouchers for you to shop just for $2,000 at HiLo.
Woo!
That's my favorite flavor.
Woo!
That's my favorite flavor.
That's
my favorite flavor. So it's beaten out the passion fruit with it. That's it. So of course I'm drinking my Lady B mixology. I like to call it jungle juice because that's what I had in the juice dispenser for Remy's birthday. But it is actually a grapefruit rosemary pineapple margarita.
It is cha-cha-cha.
That is my favorite flavor. Lady B mixology, this is now my number 1.
My number 1 is still the one that has a little pepper in there. It's a margarita with the pepper.
That's a passion fruit with a little slice.
No, it's not the passion. I think it's a watermelon with the pepper. Watermelon. Yeah.
I mean, she could send, well, no, not water. She could send anything and I'd love it. Big up to Lady B mixology. Shirt? Guys, what's the problem? Aren't you waxed, vaxxed, and ready to climax? Come on, let's do it. Get yourselves together, ladies.
On to the first question.
Okay, first question is...
So this first question is in honor of Racine. It is her birthday today. Racine Williams, happy birthday. We're giving away a copy of her book. It is called Spotlight on Me. And the question...
This book is open to anybody. So anybody can answer and I'll mail the book to you. Courtesy of Racine Williams. It's her birthday today. Ooh. The question is, finish the proverb. Jodi, this is where I need your help, okay? Finish the proverb. New broom, clean, sweep. No, sorry. New broom, sweep, clean. Finish your proverb. Dun, 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 dun. It's what comes up on my camera first, but Joe, I need you to, Somebody says, wax, vaxxed, and ready to give birth. You do your thing, girl. New broom, sweep, clean.
Nobody knows the rest of the proverb?
Nobody knows the rest of the proverb?
Yes! Andy33_876. Old broom know the corners.
A-N-D-I. You see, Joe, I need you to screenshot the names so me that win.
It's A-N-D-I
yeah.
33_876. Old broom know the corners. Yes, Andy33, you have one spotlight, a copy of Spotlight on Me. We will be in your DMs
to get your address. Yeah, we love to slide in the DMs. So we're gonna slide in with to get your address and how to mail the book for you. All right, guys. So before we go anywhere else, let's just give away. Come on, let's do some giveaways.
So I want to ask, Slim Thing Shauna, wasn't her Taekwondo thing? It was September something, you know. The Taekwondo, yeah.
The Special Olympics. Shauna, where you at, man? Saw you in here. Okay, so here we go. The next question is, and this is for a $2,000 voucher to shop at HiLo grocery stores. And this is mostly consumed around a certain time of the year. This plant has a similar flower to okra plants. And it's what comes up on our phone first. This person will win. It's what comes up on our phone first, guys. I understand that you're saying about Cali. I get it, but it's what comes up on our phone first.
Everybody's phone says something different. Yes, and SHEREIKA says sorrel. Sorrel, that's right. Oh my gosh. Joe, just write down what I'm saying.
Sorry.
Just use a pen.
Okay, yes.
SHEREIKA, and there's a dot in between all of those letters. Sharika, you have won yourself a HiLo gift certificate for $2,000. The correct answer to that question was sorrel. You like that voice?
Yeah, you sound like some kind of
game show host.
Yes. All right, maybe we can act it out. Oh, this is a nice one. All right, here we go. What is the smallest parish in Jamaica?
The smallest parish in Jamaica. Ready? And we are waiting, sitting down here waiting. Come on, guys. It is the first person who comes up on our phone. No, it is not Clarendon. No, it is not Hanover.
No, not Hanover. The smallest parish. Yes. Rebecca Maria. Spell it.
Underscore REBECCAMARIA. Rebecca Maria, you have won yourself a gift certificate for $2,000 to HiLo. Okay, all right, let's stop this for a second. I'm feeling too much.
But then I kind of wanted it to be where, like, people get all excited and it's, you know, you get to win something.
Yeah.
And so they get all excited.
Yeah.
But I kind of wanted to be able to give these vouchers to people who, and I'm not saying that the people that won aren't in need, but I kind of want to give to people.
But then you do that on a different time, because we're doing it right here now for the fun, for the grime, and for, you know, that excitement you get when you want a wee-wee because you're so excited. That's what we're giving away these vouchers for. Yeah, get some toilet paper. Yeah.
Giving away the vouchers for the wee-wee excitement. I love wee-wee excitement. I'm not going to lie.
I love a wee-wee excitement. And when the voucher, it's a voucher to HiLo. Oh my gosh.
That is our supermarket of choice.
So yeah, I love a HiLo. I do love a HiLo.
They should have sponsored today actually.
Yeah. And you know what?
You know what, HiLo?
You better come good.
Yeah, HiLo.
Come with some we were excitement for us.
They always have the best music when you're shopping.
Best
Music, yeah, can't.
And they have a good
And they didn't sponsor today, but I will mention that every Thursday at HiLo you get 20% off of local produce.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they should give me 50
Yeah, okay, girl. Okay.
for the promo where y'all get here.
Okay, girl.
HiLo food stores. All right, let's do a little bit of what else can we do? One more giveaway?
No, not yet. Not
Okay.
yet. So anyway, I was thinking, guys, I cannot wait. So tomorrow is the first day that I have somebody to come in to help me with Stevie.
What are the rules you gave them?
The person that's coming in to help with Stevie?
Yeah, I sent her downstairs.
Where is my daughter?
She's downstairs. She was giving too much trouble.
Oh man, I was trying to fry.
Oh, she probably laughed too.
What was it saying? What's the rules I've given her? I haven't given her any rules. I'm just gonna. Miss Rose is coming tomorrow too, so Miss Rose can give her all
Oh
the rules.
Lord.
Yeah. Miss Rose.
Well,
can
I'm
give her all
glad that
the
you got
rules.
somebody to help you because I think it's good for your sanity, you know. And
You know-
like how Nana is going to go back to school.
That's kind of what I wanted to talk about today on Tricky's Corner. So I wrote down a couple of things that I wanted to talk today about Tricky's. Are we ready for Tricky's Corner?
So early?
All right. No.
Oh, wait till like a 2 minutes. Do it at 1:45. You're kind of early.
All right. I was feeling the vibe though. I was going off a vibe.
Okay, all right. Do your vibe thing. We're gonna have an early Tricky's Corner. Winsome, I see you. Sean,
Yeah.
does this shirt fit me?
See? Take it off, let me see.
You like it?
Vaxxed, waxed, and ready to climax. I love it. Actually.
I wonder if I had.
You cannot be waxed, Tracy. You have enough hair on your foot to start a fire.
Could actually make a little fur jacket. I can feel the hairs on my legs blowing in the breeze
Yeah,
now.
she just feels.
I know.
Leave it.
So good evening. So so we're going with the Tricky's Corner. It's a little bit early for Tricky's Corner, but I feel like it's going in the
Yeah, we're flowing.
we're flowing today.
Flowing.
So I have always had a very I just think that people who work in banks are the best people ever. Ask Jodi. Like I always
You always think everybody works at Sagicor.
yeah, I always have this idea that if you're not working at a bank or if you're not a lawyer or if you don't have a desk job, like I always valued myself off of like desk job people. So I never thought that I was ever good enough because I was a hairdresser working behind a chair. So for me, I remember asking one of my friends who actually works at a bank one time, how much do you make? Because I wanted to know if we were on par, because I wanted to know what she looked at me and she said, Trey, that's such a weird question. Like, I'm not answering you. And I was like, but I want to know if I'm making like a good enough salary. And she's just like, well, are you happy with the lifestyle that you have? Because if you are, then your salary is good enough.
Right.
And, you know, it kind of made me think to myself that we always base our value on something, and we always kind of put ourselves in a position of not good enough based on what we're making and monetary, and we're always working to get a lot of money to be able to relax, to have this lifestyle where we can get this and this and this to relax. And you know, it kind of hit me the other day when with Stevie especially, that you know, you're working so hard, you're doing all of these things to relax, to be able to spend money on your babies, to be able to go on vacation, that you overwork yourself sometimes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, so when do you start to realize that I don't need to work so hard to be able to be having a good life? Like, I can have a good life. Maybe I'm not making $700,000 a month, you know, maybe I'm not making
But it's the
1.2
quality of life.
Exactly. So maybe I'm making a little tuppence hate me every single month. Maybe I'm not living in a huge mansion, but am I happy with what I have?
Yeah.
And that kind of brought me back down to
It's
a
so
little bit
hard
of
to be happy
reality.
though, because we're constantly comparing ourselves.
And that's a trouble, that we need to remind ourselves that who we are is not a monetary value.
Hi, Miss Chin.
You know what I mean? That who we are is just based off of the values that we have, the contentment that we feel each day, and what we surround ourselves with. And that was kind of what I wanted to get into for Tricky's Corner. Yes, exactly, Christy. It's being grateful.
Guys, the shirt is from my good old friend Amazon. No, we don't cheap it out. It's a French store. You wouldn't know it, guys. It's very expensive.
Amazon.
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 It's a French boutique. Very, very expensive. Very exclusive. That's where I get all my things from because I'm a high maintenance chic.
Amazon.
Amazon. Amazon is where I get this shirt. No, we got kicked out of the kitchen today. So I was thinking I was gonna post like a really sexy picture and I was gonna tag Christopher Tufton and ask him to repost me. Betty said now repost me. And I said, at Christopher Tufton, you now repost me too. What you guys say? Can I do it?
You should.
I should?
Yeah,
Okay. What a rat did he repost me? I bet you will blur out everything. Yeah man, I'm going to tag Mr. Tufton and say, you now repost me.
Yeah.
Which part is she? France. French? No, France. I speak of France too.
What's that place in France where the...
Paris.
Paris.
Yeah, it's capital.
Oh.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. I haven't traveled in so long, I don't know anything.
I know. You know what sucks? Like your child can travel free up to 1 year old and Stevie will not benefit from that. We will not be going anywhere. Is that so crazy?
Yeah, don't worry. I'm just plugging my phone back here because I don't want... When it's time to post my post to Mr. Tufton, I don't have no battery.
Oh, okay.
France.
So,
They have... Oh, this is so nice. I've been dying to open this.
so we got a little box here, a present, and it is for you.
It's for me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So I love that this is in like... This is a nice unboxing. It's not a proper wooden box.
Yeah.
Oh. So we have Airwick products here. So this is great when you have kids because everywhere constantly smells like doo-doo. So we're gonna do fill your space with scented. I love this. Okay. So we have the you can plug these in. The Airwick, they're warmers. So we have 2 warmers here. Let's smell if it smells any good.
Oh, and they have lavender.
Wait, hold. You never saw that.
Actually, what? Actually, I spray a lavender spray in Stevie's room before she goes to sleep, you know.
That's a very, very good idea. But you might need this powerful stuff for wherever the bathroom, the kids' bathroom is. You know where you throw away the
Or
diapers?
just where Scott's bathroom is.
My God, all where Scott's bathroom you need too. So you plug this into the wall and you drop the Airwick here at the top.
Well, they gave us a lavender and a paradise retreat,
open
which is
that one.
coconut blossom. Oh, okay.
I love that. So let me point out something to you guys that you didn't realize. The plugs in the United States of America are vertical and in Jamaica they're horizontal. So sometimes some of the things that you buy can't fit in your wall. But this one is great because you can actually turn this depending on, you know, your plug. And in Jamaica we're gonna leave it like this.
That packaging was hard to get open.
Yeah, it's child safety proof. So we're gonna drop this in. I'm gonna plug this into my wall. So
It's not.
this is not a how-to video.
Alright.
Oh, I have to plug it into work. Alright.
Plug it in. Let's see how fast it works too.
Alright, hold on. Alright, so we're waiting to smell somebody says it's very strong, which is good.
Well,
you guys can smell it?
I'm going to take the lavender one home.
The Airwick.
You guys can smell it too?
Somebody said it's very strong.
What?
That's very strong.
That's very strong.
I smell it.
You smell it?
I smell it.
Wait.
Be honest.
I smell the almond. That flavor has almond in it.
Almond. I see coconut. I see
almond blossom.
Okay, girl. Wow.
I smelled it. I smelled it.
What's this one here?
Oh my. Show me.
So this is the 24/7 Pure Protect Technology Tropical Flowers Aromatic Spray. Oh, I think, is this the one where, hold on. Oh, where every now and then just shh.
Oh.
See, you need to say, it comes with a battery too. That's very considerate, you know, Airwick. So this is distributed by
CariMed.
this is the CariMed, the distributors of all distributors. This is what you need to put in your, like, so I put this in my powder room because sometimes the guests are a little bit, you know, but happy, you know. So put in the battery, you load up this, and then I guess every what is it, like every half an hour?
Let's see. It fights odors around the clock because it's 24/7 odor protect technology. Up to 70 days of freshness.
Okay, Airwick.
Wow.
Where do you put the battery?
3 fragrance intensity settings for bursts at 9, 18, or 40 minutes.
Oh, you can set it to what you want?
Yes, I guess if
wow.
you're really butt happy, you do 9
8
minutes.
Oh.
I guess if you're having a party. you do 9
Yeah.
minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
If you're having just a couple friends over, you might do 18 minutes or 40 minutes just on a regular day.
Okay,
Yeah?
so there, I set it.
Oh, and this is cool. When there is a red light that's flashing, you refill it. So that is good. Are you doing okay? Because if not, I can help you with some instructions here.
No, man, bad girl, no need instruction.
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh.
It's a 9! Okay, alright. Alright, let's set up our setup here.
Okay. I put it over a little bit more.
I'm not sure.
Wow, that one smells very, very, very strong.
What is it?
That's
It is
pure
tropical flowers.
Tropical flowers.
Jeez, I feel like I'm in
wonderland.
Hawaii or something. I'm getting hungry. Bare flowers and fruit and almond. Good Lord.
This is making you hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Well, maybe I should take that one home with me because guess what?
You don't want to use up your plug space.
Yeah, and my bathroom, remember, I don't have a window in my bathroom.
I remember.
It's very horrible, you know. I don't have a window in my bathroom.
So CariMed is a distributor, so you can check out their page. I think they do have one, CariMed Jamaica, so you can see
Yes,
like
they do.
the amount of things that they bring in. So what they do is they bring things in and then they distribute them to supermarkets and pharmacies across the land. And
Across the land?
Yes.
So it's like a fairy tale?
We're in Andrew's fairy tale right now.
Okay.
So they distribute to supermarkets and pharmacies across the land. So you can go to your local pharmacy or your local supermarket and look for Airwick products that are distributed by CariMed. And actually, I must say, I'm pleasantly surprised. You know, some air freshener have that little there. That little, there's like a there's like a something in it.
Yeah, like it wants to scratch the back of your throat.
Yeah. This one is really nice.
No, it smells good.
It smells really good.
Botanical.
Ah.
Yeah.
I feel like it deserves a song.
Yeah.
Walking in the garden, I smelling sweet. Oh yeah. And then I put down my little feet. Yeah. Smells so good in this tropical retreat. Airwick pure, you make it great. Airwick pure, you make it sweet. Airwick pure, odor protect all day.
I don't think that song was
No,
good.
we could do better.
We could do better.
See what happens when we come out the damn kitchen? We think we're artists.
I know.
That's the problem.
I know. Imagine when your husband builds a studio downstairs.
Jeez on peace, me now. I'll be in the studio all the time.
over.
Oh, I have voiceovers to do. Let me write that one.
What you voice over in?
I have things to do, girl. I am a working lady. I am a domestic engineer.
You're a working lady?
I'm a working woman. So one time, like, the police pulled me over and they're like, what you do? Hear me like a damn idiot. I'm a contract worker.
Wait, I feel like your continents coming through. What is that? I'm a contract worker?
Because sometimes somebody will hire me for one particular job, so I'm a contract worker. But then he looked at me like, okay. You know, so I guess I do really well because...
It's a good thing I put on a panty ladder today, you know. Because you really making me watch out myself. Oh, you're a contract worker.
Somebody says this song... okay. All right, let's do another HiLo giveaway.
Okay.
Oh, we have done this one before right here on this show. What was Spanish Town's first name? And if you say French Town, I got thump someone, you know. What was Spanish Town's first name?
I did not know this.
What are you talking about?
I feel like this
sings
was in a
about
song.
it.
Oh, yeah, who sings about it?
Chronix.
Yes!
Exactly. You guys, you want to win a $2,000 voucher to HiLo to help you out during this time?
Yes, Island Babe 24.
Island BABE.
Yes.
24. Island Babe 24, you just won yourself a gift voucher to HiLo.
The answer was Villa de la Vega.
Villa de la Vega.
Villa de la Vega.
All right.
Okay.
Let's do one more real quick.
One more?
Yeah, come on. Situated on sculpted limestone hills and valleys in west central Jamaica, an area recognized for its biodiversity is...
I like this area. I like it because
I like it too. Me too.
I feel like
Yeah.
that's where you go when you're waxed and ready to climax.
Yep. We go. Guys, this is what comes up on our phone first. Timmy Jensen?
Wasn't that your first boyfriend?
Oh, Fitz! Fitz one! Fitz, it's a cockpit country.
Fitz is here?
Yes, Fitz is finally here.
Hi, Fitz.
Did somebody write line key? I'm going to knock you in your head. Situated on hills and valleys in west central Jamaica, an area recognized for its biodiversity, is a cockpit country.
So there's actually a cockpit country tour, which I feel that we should go on.
A cockpit country tour?
Yes.
I will tour for cock anytime.
Yes. Tour for cock. Tour for cock. So let's do that. I wonder if it's open during this COVID time.
If the cock tour is open. Okay. All right.
Who wants to come on a cock tour?
Let's go on a cock tour. We'll do an island. A cock.
An island-wide cock tour.
Lord of mercy, the shirt is bringing out the rudeness.
I don't think it's a shirt though.
You don't think it's a shirt? Okay.
No. Anyway, so let us talk about Bachelor in Paradise. Anybody here watching it? Dude,
They don't go on break?
Why don't you? I don't feel like you understand how great this show is. I live for it. Like tonight again. Who watches it? Smile127. You watch it? Oh my gosh! So can you believe that Brendan? He's so boring. First of all, and I cannot believe him and Piper are just there trying to like get a couple's vacation together. Although I can't blame them. I wish Scott and I had that big plan and we went on there. That would have been so nice. Imagine me and Scott on Bachelor in Paradise and we're just winning the show on that vacation. But isn't it weird that nobody swims in the sea? Don't you guys think that's weird?
Oh, I guess I don't know. We're gonna I saw somebody make a comment. They were saying that it's a little unfair that we are asking only Jamaican related questions when we have viewers from all over, and I do appreciate you saying that. However, HiLo Food Stores is located in Jamaica, so what we would do is we would get you your voucher, and then you go to HiLo to redeem them and to shop. We're giving away HiLo Jamaica vouchers.
So if you're living away,
yes, we did do a giveaway that was open to everybody for Racine's book earlier on. So I'm sorry if you feel left out, but we're really trying to help our Jamaican our fellow Jamaicans who may be feeling it a little rough during this time.
Because you're feeling left out, we take note of it and we're going to plan something for you. That's a boom fist I'm waiting for.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we have to do for everybody. So today for the Jamaicans and
I just find we're the only people that do lives and always giving away things. We're always giving something away.
Nobody give nothing way down in the cockpit country, you know.
No. Alright, let's do Alright, let us do a giveaway. We're gonna give away 2 of the pica pepper sauces. This one will be open to everybody. So right now, let's do a general question.
Okay.
If you say anything about Bachelor, I'm gonna thump you.
Alright, then I don't know what to ask.
Okay. So this will be for the pica pepper sauces. They were also featured on our show some weeks ago, and they were kind enough as to give us a whole case. So we have a few left over to give away. So, and ready to climax. Come on, guys. Come on. What happens when come on.
So this question is open for everybody. Everybody, all the foreigners, get your little typing fingers ready.
But we don't know what the question is?
I have no idea. What we saying?
I don't know.
Okay.
Let's ask.
Who?
No, don't who not know. Tell me what you're gonna say. Lord of mercy, man. That's too easy.
Yeah, but them don't like nothing hard. You guys want something hard? No, you want easy things. Easy things. Easy things.
Easy things. All right, shall we make it easy or hard? You see, when it's too easy, that's when people keep complaining that they answered first, them never answer first.
I feel like people just want to complain about that anyway. I feel like that's a game in itself.
Okay.
It's like when daddy complains, but you know he likes to complain.
Daddy lives to complain.
Yeah, so he's like, this is like his
He's probably
thing.
watching right now. Dad will love you.
Love you.
You're gonna complain. You damn children
He
talking
made
about
a
me.
nice soup the other day.
Right, love
yeah,
soup.
Yeah, he made a nice soup.
Oh, all
And
right.
Alyssa,
Chicago in the house. I'm not sure what that accent was. Sorry.
I don't know.
My fan page is here.
Trinity was in Chicago. Yeah, see? Miss Ali says something easy, life too hard. All right. See the easy question here. Who distributes Airwick products? Airwick products that we just had, smelling up the show. Who distributes Airwick products in Jamaica? That's the easy question. Who does it? Who does it?
I thought so too. Lady B Cube. That would be a good.
Yes.
LIA_MIC.
She says CariMed.
CariMed.
Very good. Very good.
Please tell me you're not in Jamaica. We want a foreigner win. We just want a foreigner win something.
Want some foreign
yeah, some
thing in
foreign
my
people.
eye.
Yeah, when I go post
Yeah.
office, I'm like, airmail. No, not inland today. Sorry.
Me and people abroad. What was like the worst patois ever?
That's okay. Me and people abroad. Wagwan.
I wonder if Remy is going to speak patois or proper English.
I'm going to encourage a patois. I'm not gonna lie. When this little white girl with her blonde hair comes up, me want what, mommy, wagwan. I'll be like, yeah, girl, what you want? Talk up. All right. Good girl, Remy. Remy's I comb her hair up like mine today. She took all of 3 seconds to take it out. All right, let's do another HiLo voucher to HiLo food stores right here in Jamaica. I was the first Jamaica recording artist to sign to a major US label.
We asked that question already.
Well, ask it again. This one is for HiLo food stores. We're giving away $2,000 vouchers. I was the first Jamaican recording artist to sign to a major US label. One more giveaway for the foreigners. I'm going to find something else to give away. Shensia?
No.
Shaggy? Shensia, just come around, man. Your clothes fits. Shabba, no. Sean Paul, no. Beanie Man, no. Sean Paul, no. Shaggy, no. This was before Bob Marley, no. That's a good answer. Shabba is a really good answer. You're close with the Shabba. Big dirty stinking Shabba.
What? That's what he says about himself?
Yeah.
He like,
Yeah. And when he come in with the yes! Fits? How you know that Fits? Fits.
the answer is Yellow Man. That
King
is the
Yellow Man
answer.
is the first Jamaican recording artist to sign to a major US label.
Yes, that is correct, Fitz. That is correct. Okay. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie.
That's what I sing to Stevie when she's crying too much.
Really?
I say, okay.
I love that song.
Okay.
Okie dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie.
I think I should be signed to a major label.
Not in the US. Look at all of this underarm sweat.
That's not okie dokie.
I'm natural. I use natural deodorant.
We know. We've had this fight many a time.
Oh, that's a lot though.
So you don't use an antiperspirant?
No, it's too close to my breast.
That's how much you sweat, but we're in AC, dog.
Because I'm feeling hot.
She feeling
Hot. It's because I just waxed, you know?
You did?
Yeah.
Where?
I joke. Alright, next week on the show we're gonna have us waxing. Ask them
I can't wait a
3
week. I
countries
can't wait
that
a
are
week.
now known for carnival. Oh, alright, let me see if I have something to give away. Let me go check what I have next door. Let's do another foreign giveaway.
I feel like I can't wait another week to wax Joe. I have to call Sandra and go tomorrow. So where is my friend Sandra that cussed me off about my mustache? She knows to say me use concealer today. Come here, Sandra. Come chat to me now.
Leave Sandra alone. Leave Sandra alone.
Leave Sandra alone?
Yes,
Sandra's my friend, man. Sandra's my friend. I had to use concealer today though because she didn't make me feel bad. No, she made me feel bad, but Jodi made me feel even worse. You want to see how I go and go to the dermatologist the very next day. I go to the dermatologist the very next day to deal with my melasma. I said, no, son, I can't make Sandra come on the show and bad me up, son. She's, anyway. Yeah, I feel popped down into all sorts of ways. Don't even start exercise at the belly. It don't big, but it bang. I'm used to having flat belly, so I have 10 pounds to lose still. The 10 pounds just still there. 10 pounds just still there. Anyway, what else? I guess I really don't talk so much. I guess this is the time that Jodi would be talking about some foolishness right now. But I wonder if she would notice if I stole her. I really like this. Alright.
What are you doing? Come out of my things! We have a total of 8 pick pepper sauces. So if we gave away 2 a while ago, that means we have
6 left.
6. That's what I was saying. Same, not a problem. So we have 6 left to give away. So let us do some more pick pepper giveaways.
Oh, somebody is asking how is a colic. So I started Stevie on a probiotics. So I actually had a probiotics by Gerber and it was $25 and
By Grabber?
Gerber.
Oh.
No, not by Grabber. It was $25 and you know that's not really sustainable for me to be spending $25 on probiotics. So it actually went bad in the fridge during the power cut. Another thing that was hard about it was that you had to keep it in the fridge. So anyway, Jodi said to me, you know, do you have a probiotics? You need to be giving her probiotics. And I was just like, yo, I don't. Jodi has a probiotics that she's been ordering on Amazon for $9 called Mother's Bliss. It comes in a little blue package and she put it on rotational order from Amazon.
Subscribe and save.
Subscribe and save. And so I've been giving that to Stevie and the colic has been really,
you must listen to me, you know, sometimes I know what I'm talking about.
Sometimes, yeah.
So Remy can now have the big girl gummy probiotics, so my subscribe and save I give to
so you should put that on your, if you on the Amazon, that you know everybody can log on to the Amazon shop and get it.
Okay. Alright.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I'm an Amazon affiliate store. What about gripe water? She uses every single gripe water. I tell her you just dip your finger in the white rum and you just knock her out. I'm just joking, everybody. It's just a joke. Alright, let's give away 2 bottles of pick pepper. And the question is, I like the question before. So for my foreigners, make sure this is airmail. Want an airmail? Yes. Name 3 carnivals in the Caribbean. List off 3 countries that have carnival.
In the
Caribbean. Give her a shot of white rum. You mean me? Trinidad, Colombia, Brazil.
But that's not the Caribbean,
Yeah.
Shakira.
Colombia, no, won't take it.
Trinidad, Jamaica, St. Vincent.
By Tiffy, what is Barbados?
Trinidad, Jamaica, St. Vincent, and that is Leah Bella _ baby 1. Leah Bella _ baby 1.
Just number 1?
Yeah.
Okay, Leah Bella, you won yourself 2 pick pepper sauces.
Pick pepper is very delicious, especially with patty.
And sardines.
Very good, very good. And I used the pick pepper sauce inside of my shepherd's pie. You can also do a pick pepper dip with just cream cheese and pick pepper on top, and that's your dip that you give to
Hello, Odessa. Alright.
Oh, hi, Odessa.
Alright, we're heading back over now to HiLo. We're gonna go some shopping. We're gonna do some shopping. We're gonna do some shopping.
So what are you guys going to buy with the $2,000 gift voucher from HiLo? I think I'd buy a bottle of tequila.
That can't buy no tequila, by the way.
What do you mean?
Tequila is expensive. Tequila is like $4,000 to $6,000.
You really serious?
Yeah. It was an Airwick.
Oh! It make a little noise. It make a little... Yeah. And here smells very good though.
Alright.
Wait, what's this one?
Well, the boys. Alright, we're heading back over to HiLo. What does it mean for a Jamaican to say something no cut, no dash? No cut, no dash?
What does it mean for a Jamaican to say something no cut, no dash?
No cut, no dash? That doesn't even sound like it like flows. No cut, no dash. No cut, no dash?
Yes! Sharika!
Sharika again? Sharika, buy the whole week of groceries. Yes, Sharika times 2. Sharika. And that's fine. That's fine.
It's not good.
Good. Yes. Very nice. Oh, all right. Let's do an acting out one. All right. You have to. So this is like you have to get. They have to guess the word in the black, and you can't say those 3 words. All right. So now this is more like a taboo round. All right. So Tracy is gonna play with you guys. And you guys have to guess what she's trying to describe, all right? And she's not allowed to say 3 words on the card. I will monitor her. Get ready.
Okay. Give me the. X amount of loving and nothing less. Wind up your waist and wind up your chest. Wind up your body in that little short dress. I want the muggle to scream for. Give me.
Guys.
Give me. It's yes! I_KEBOO. Go wide.
You won yourself a gift certificate to HiLo food stores.
I thought that was really good. Did I do
That was really good. That was excellent.
Yeah. Thank you. Can't even remember the words. When's the last time you heard that song?
I mean, I've heard it
X
pretty.
amount of loving and nothing less. Wind up your waistline,
wind up your chest,
wind up your body in your little short dress. Go wine, what the muggle is a scream for. Go wine, give me, go wine.
I can't echo that one. That one is hard.
I did really good.
You did excellent. All right, here we go. All right. Remember last week Tracy was saying that she belonged to a random chat group that she was added to, and it was full of these kinds of persons. They are business people. They are hustlers, and they buy things aplenty, usually in foreign, to come back to Jamaica and sell them back. Give it to her. Give it to her.
In vino versata
INVI underscore VINO underscore VERITAS 876.
Yes.
She wrote highlighters, but I knew what she meant, so we're not gonna.
And it was HiLo. Yes, in vino.
Were you here last week?
Were you here last week? No, Miss Independent underscore 79. Sex workers.
You mean a
No,
contract worker?
I was not in a group chat of sex workers. Although that too would have been quite interesting.
Like, that would have been. We could have found out some things about them uptown man, you see, man.
Miss
Dirty mortar.
Yeah, we would have had the real sus then. What is in that bottled up there?
Oh, so this is actually I've been waiting to put in my spray bottle. So this is a medical grade solution by Lasco. So after it does more than alcohol. So after it dries, it's still kind of germ killing on your hands. So I've been waiting for the spray that I have to finish to refill it with that. That's what the doctors use.
Let me see my thank you card. Who got one of these? Who got one of these? This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thank you card. Oh my goodness, that was so nice.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do a giveaway right now over on YouTube. So YouTube, the first person to write in the comments, what question can we ask over on YouTube? So once we upload the video, you can cheat and go over there, right? So you're gonna win 2 bottles of pica pepper sauce. So over on the YouTube, we have a foreign giveaway. So once this video is uploaded, which minister is it that I really want to see my shirt? That's over on YouTube. All right, moving right along.
Anyway, so I wanted to talk about something else. You know my knee is still hurting me?
You must eat some cow foot.
I don't know about that.
Should we do some more of these? I'm loving this game. That's for over on YouTube. It's a giveaway over on YouTube.
I had a big yarn a while ago. Hey, do you have any lasagna left?
I think there's a little bit in the fridge, you know.
But I mean a little bit. You guys finished
Girl.
off that whole tray?
Yes.
I thought I'd come over here and you'd be giving me lasagna.
No, well you came and ate too, so we got a lasagna by half baked 876.
So good. Yeah, I think it's good. I got a quiche for them for the lockdown. So in the mornings I just did a slice of quiche and cook up some viennas.
Oh.
Yeah. And then that's what I did. But Jodi got a lasagna.
You know what I love about us? One of the things. I like that the participants that we have on the show, not only do we continue to support them, but usually in most cases 90% of the time these are people that we would be buying from anyway.
Yeah.
You know,
actually I actually have to place an order for some of the.
So big up yourself, half baked 876. We will be ordering soon. Ask Tammy Chin father to cook some cow food for you. Oh, I love a cow food.
Wow.
I
Okay.
love a cow food. All right.
Ikibu says Tammy Chin father can cook cow food.
Hmm?
You know, Tammy Chin one time promised me that she was going to cook jackfruit seeds for me because apparently she boils them up and they taste like potato. Tammy Chin, it has been many years since you promised this to me and you still have not cooked the jackfruit seeds that taste like potato for me.
I don't know. I'd ask her to continue to hold off. That does not sound good at all.
Oh, but chicken foot sounds good.
Chicken foot and cow foot sound way better than boiled jackfruit seeds.
I feel like Tammy Chin should just cook them for us and then we would decide that no, Daddy Tammy can cook the cow foot and Tammy can cook the jackfruit and then we will come and taste and see which one it is that we like.
I just don't think you could even compare them.
What do you mean? I don't want
Jackfruit seeds and cow foot? Like what?
I would put the cow foot gravy on my jackfruit seed. I'm not eating a cow foot.
Cow foot, the gumption in the cow foot will help your knees. You go on. I just have a little cow foot before carnival, like the night before. Oh my gosh. Cow foot just help my knee them so I can go down really low. Yeah, man. Alright, we have another giveaway. This is for our Jamaicans who may need help during this pandemic. We are giving away a $2,000 HiLo gift certificate.
Cher Gooden says she want to win this one. She says she want to win this one.
Let's just give it to her. What was her name?
Oh, SHER RGOODEN.
Alright, Cher. You got yourself. You see? Sometimes when you beg it work out, you know. Sure, you got yourself a gift certificate to HiLo food stores for $2,000. But moving right along, let us do
No, Cher, aren't you in foreign? She wants to pick a pepper.
Well, Cher, what you want? What you want, Cher? What you want? Talk truth. What you want?
Cher, what you want?
What you want?
I don't know.
She don't know either.
Come on, Cher. Talk the thing now. See her hair? She said she want to pick a pepper.
You get pepper.
She want to pick a pepper.
Pick a pepper.
Alright.
Alright.
Cher says she's spicy.
Alright, no
Cher
problem.
says she's spicy. She said she's going to eat the pick a pepper before carnival. It might make you poop, you know. Might make you poop.
Okay, Cher, we're going to send you a pick a pepper sauce. We'll send it to you in wherever you are. Don't worry, I'll jump in the DMs to get the information. Okay, Trey, you again now. First person to guess the word in the black will win themselves a $2,000 gift certificate to HiLo for some grocery shopping during this pandemic time.
So, this is when you go foreign and you start clap because you are going to do that thing. But when you hear the that's when you know that the special instruments are coming out of the plain bottom. But what is the name of the special instruments? What is the name of the special instruments? I thought that was a good description.
Actually, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Somebody say a visa, listen, visa come out of the plain bottom.
Exactly. In vino, you are correct. But it's instruments that helps that to go on.
Then she's not correct.
Yeah.
Plain and land, no. What are the instruments to help the plain land? What are they called?
And they come out and they sound like when they're coming out to the little hole that
I
they
think you
keep
should
in.
start over.
Okay, all right. It's
barrel. It's barrel drop out on your land.
This one is hard.
Okay.
This one is hard.
All right, let's just give it away then. Landing gear. That's it. Not spammer.
Yes. See, Nats, you and I are on the same wavelength, Nats. She knows it. Nats also claps when the plane lands. Nats, you're goody. You're a real goody. I clap too. And you know what, Nats? I spoke to a pilot the other day, a pilot, not a pilot, a pilot. And he told me that he appreciates when the people clap. Yeah? He said Jamaican flights are his favorite because he always feels appreciated afterwards. And I will continue to clap.
Well, let me tell you something. I will never not clap again. If I ever get on a flight, I'm a clap. I'm a clap the whole damn flight, actually. But like, ladies and gentlemen, prepare, come quick off. I'm a clap the whole damn time.
Dude, I'm gonna get drunk. Okay. I'm gonna be like, wow!
You have to pay to drink though. And you can't take off your mask. So you drink when you land and you're safely in your hotel room and you've Lysol the place.
Alright.
Okay.
And then I'm like, party on the plane. We go party. We party. We party. Woo! Is Stevie with us?
Now you're wondering, not if we're gonna party.
Yes! Oh my gosh. I was like talking to my friend the other day and I was like, I just want to get drunk. I want to get blackout drunk. I want to get drunk that Richie has to come and carry me out to the club. I want to get that drunk. Remember those days?
Yes, I do.
And Richie has to carry me out to the club. See me
you guys have to guess now my word. Alright, so what do you call it? Annie Palmer is a
good one.
That's a good one. Annie Palmer is a then what else? What can I say? In the nighttime, these roam around.
Yeah,
Jamaican word for, you know.
Yeah. Nighttime rumors.
Nighttime rumors are a not ladies of the night.
Not ladies of the night.
She was a witch, but no, she roams around as a
yeah. She was a witch, but now she roams around as a
whooping boy.
Sunshine Jewels, you are close. Cher Gooden.
What? How she spell it again?
SHERGOODEN. Cher Gooden got this one.
But Cher Gooden don't live in Jamaica.
No.
She just wanted to pick up pepper.
She just wanted to pick up pepper. So who came in after Cher Gooden was
Shauna.
SHAUNA. SEHEN. Shauna Sehen?
Sehen? Or is that Duppy?
The answer was
Shauna
Duppy.
Answer is Duppy. I feel like we should do another one of those late time lives and give away like vouchers.
I feel like we should do one of those late time lives and tell ghost stories about rolling
What
calf
ghost stories
and
you have?
Whooping Boy. Remember that one time that the curtains did move?
What curtains? You mean when we were interviewing the doctor? And everybody was like, yo, look behind the doctor. There's somebody definitely back there. Oh, no, couldn't concentrate. You know, we had interviewed a nice, good man doctor. And everybody's like, yo, the curtains, there's somebody back there. No, it's AC moving it. What a bad behave, you know. I couldn't look on the curtains. I was just looking at the doctor.
Which doctor was that?
Good up body doctor. What's his name? Mr. Mahfood.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Easy with the leg rub there.
Yeah, he's cute. He been following on the IG?
Yes.
Yeah, he went to the beach the other day.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I like that his shorts aren't too long, you know.
No, I love these
I like that
sexy
because
legs.
I like when guys, you know, they do an activity or something and then you can see like the top of their legs and it's not white and pasty. You know what I mean?
I buy Scott's shirt when Scott Carnival came around. I took Scott's shirts and had them hem it up a little bit short.
Yeah?
I like
Oh.
it. Scott has sexy legs though.
Okay, alright. Okay,
Do
cool.
you think he has sexy legs?
I mean, I've never checked out his legs ever. No.
What you check out?
On Scott?
Yeah.
Nothing.
What?
He's a nice guy to me, but you think I'm there like, oh, my brother-in-law. Actually, on TikTok, they think I'm admiring him. Let's see some Willie. Alright, guys. So we're wrapping up.
Sometimes I check out Sean though.
Oh my gosh.
Is that different? Because he's a superstar?
She's the kind of girl that will take care of her sister, man. You go on, make TikTok find out. Guys, you can follow me over on TikTok, Jodi Jinx876, and you can see the video where I was talking about Scott's Willie.
Sean always smells good.
Yeah?
Always.
You like the smell of ganja?
Ganja. I guess I do.
One more giveaway. Let's make it an easy one. One more giveaway.
I guess I do. Ganja.
Beep, 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 beep. Finish the Jamaican proverb. Chicken Mary.
I'm waiting for the answer. Chicken Mary. Chicken
Marry me. Who smoke more?
You know it's
Denner. Tori.
Tori, Torii Wilson. Tori Wilson, you have won. What Tori won?
She won a 2,000 gift voucher to HiLo Superstores. So for everybody who won their I will go into everybody's DMs who won to get your name, your phone number for those who I'm shipping off the
you
Pick a
just
Pepper to.
sliding
I'm
into
just
people's
sliding into your DMs. Allow me to slide. I'll get your address, ship out your Pick a Pepper sauces to you. And for those who got the HiLo, I'll ask your name and your phone number, and somebody from HiLo will just call you to see where it is that you live, what's a HiLo closest to you, and they'll arrange with you when you can go into store and pick up your voucher. I'm trying to find like the easiest way for people to win things. I just want to thank Ramesh, who when we went on live one night, Tracy and I were on live with 700 people, you know, people were, yo, them they want with this something, you know. Yeah. So we called in Ramesh and we asked him like, how can you give away things? What do you do to give things away? And this was one of the things that it was
who else
easy
came
for me
on
to-
that live?
Ramesh was there, Davina was there. Davina was actually just ready to shoot a TikTok. Because
Yes.
then I saw right after that she posted her she posted her TikTok. Where can we get the name? The name of what? Whose name it was? Sharika says thank you. Welcome Sharika. Sharika's walking away with $4,000 in gift certificates from HiLo.
She ain't walking, girl. She is skipping.
Yeah. Make it
Sharika
list.
said, yeah.
Make a list.
Yeah.
The game. We had posted this before. This is Jamaican Extra Lessons. It's available on Etsy. And where is the young lady's page? Where's the box? You can check her out over on... If you type in Jamaica Extra Lessons, it will come up in... Oh, here's the paper. Expert Jamaican. So if you type in @Expert Jamaican, you'll see where the game comes up. It's kind of like a little taboo game going on here, and then she has some kind of guessing games. It's really cool. Here's how it looks, and it's available. If you live in Jamaica and you order through DM, she will deliver to you
We
right
want
here.
to big up our sponsors and thank them so much for coming on the show with us, which is CariMed, who sent us some beautiful products by Airwick. We've been smelling so sweet.
We've been
in this
smelling
garden.
sweet, yes. So we have a automatic plug-in one, and then we
plug-in.
have a spray one that can spray every 9,
18 or 14
depending
minutes.
on how much you're stinking.
And so, depending on how much you're stinking.
Yeah.
And so then we have the tropical flowers spray. And then we have these essential oil plugins. This one is a lavender. But Joy, you should keep this plugged in almond. It smells nice.
It smells
you know?
nice. Alright guys, and my shirt is from Amazon. Make sure when I post my picture, make sure you tag Christopher Toughtown, because him repost everybody. Him have to post me too. Yeah. So tonight is a lot of action here at my house. So, alright guys, thank you so much for catching us this week on this episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside of the closet and bring in here for an hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness. We have 30 seconds left, and that's it. Goodbye. We love you. Oh. Goodbye, YouTube. Oh, actually, let's do another giveaway right here on YouTube.
Oh, what you want to give away?
Let's give away. All right. So for our Jamaican followers, see them enough over on IG, you know, them enough, you know. So, all right, we're gonna give you guys a couple vouchers away down in the comments. So let's do like, oh, they can't guess. All right, I'll make you guess. If you guess it, how do we do this? Okay, they can't answer us. MTV was hesitant to play my music because of my look and sound. Which dancehall artist am I?
Buju Banton.
That's a good answer. No, but let them write it down in the comments. So just write it down in the comments, and if you have the correct answer, we will send you, or I'll message you so you can get a $2,000 gift certificate from HiLo. Just make sure that you're living in Jamaica, because HiLo food stores are here in Jamaica. So actually, you know what? We're gonna give away a couple over here on YouTube.
More?
Yes.
All right.
Don't be mean. I don't know what this answer is. Oh, you read that one.
Artist Education Competition TV program in Jamaica, and it's still a go on today.
That's true.
And
Going on
it's still
strong.
a go on.
Read it one more time.
Titchfield always gets something.
It's true. It's true.
Titchfield always gets something.
Write the answer down below and you will
Earliest
win.
education competition TB program in Jamaica.
And that's it. We're gonna post this now over to YouTube. Make sure you drop your answers down below. I will message you, or yeah, I'll message you and get you your gift vouchers. Thank you everybody for watching this week, and we will see you next week. Bye.